Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to another Code Peterson GB Studio tutorial. In today's demonstration, we're going to be adding some ladders and jump through platform functionality to give us a little more variety in our GB Studio Game Boy platformer game. To begin with, let's look and see what our game is like to begin with. We have our little Mickey character, and now we are on this platform right here. I want Mickey to be able to jump up and land on this here. If I use a regular platform solid, Mickey will just hit his head there and won't be able to jump to the top. And I want to be able to access it from underneath. If I jump high enough, I still don't land on it because it's just part of the background. Also, this ladder right here doesn't do anything for us. So to begin with, let's add our jump through platform. To do that, we go over here to this little collision icon, the little brick looking button, and then we go over here to the collision top, has that blue line at the top of it, and then I can click and drag from one side to the other. Now when Mickey goes over here and jumps, it lands on it. If you go from underneath, you land on it that way as well. Now I also want Mickey to be able to jump down through that platform. In order to do that, we go to this drop-down menu in the upper left-hand corner. We then go to Settings, and then we go to the Platformer section, and we are looking for Enable Feature Drop-Through. We click on that, and we have some options. I want drop-through to be active right away, and I do like it when I am holding the down button and then pressing jump, that is what triggers jumping through that platform. We have that selected. Let's take a look in here now. Go up here and I press down and press jump, or hold down and press jump, then Mickey jumps down through that. Over here, if I try it, it doesn't work that way because that is a solid platform. It only works with this up here. Now, let's say I have a ladder that is too tall, or let's say I want to decrease Mickey's jump velocity or increase the amount of gravity so Mickey can't jump up here and we have to use the ladder. Then in order to activate that, we go back up here to Game World, and then we go back over here to our collisions, and on the far right, we have this little green ladder button here. I'll click on that, and then I'm going to click and drag this over the ladder. Now, in the olden days, before GB Studio 4, version 4, we'd have to draw that up here onto this ladder, and then sometimes your character would accidentally activate the ladder and would be climbing up a little bit when you didn't want them to. But they have a new feature on here that's kind of cool. If we go over here to settings again and we scroll down, and we're still in the platformer section. But if we find where it says enable feature ladders, we have that selected, and you'll see that there is a hop at the top of the ladder that we can use. Now, this may or may not work with your game depending on what your jump velocity and what your gravity section is. So you may need to kind of tweak those a little bit to get this to work how you want to. Otherwise, if the limits are too extreme to where you're not able to make it work, then you'll have to go with the old ladder way, or possibly go in and add some script and change it that way. But on this demonstration here, where I'll show you the hop of this ladder works well. Going back to Game World. Try this out. We go over here, and now when Mickey climbs to the top, and you'll see right at the top of that ladder, there's a little hop there where it lands right there. And then you can climb up and down. And if you're like, whoa, how did we get that animation on there? If you remember in our previous tutorial, a few tutorials ago when we were making the graphics, we actually did create a climbing animation with Mickey here. So it's just a 2-frame one. So it's nothing too elaborate or anything, but you can use that when you go into your settings. Because it's the default climbing animation, you can see here with the ladders that we are able to use default here. If I created a different climbing animation, then I would be able to click on this and find it in there, but this is the default. You'll also notice here underneath the ladder section, that you can allow the character to jump from the ladder, or you can have them drop from the ladder. So it'd be the same way. You hold down and then press the jump button and you drop down. Or you can allow or disallow your character to walk off the ladder. So this can impact your game if you want the ladder to not be able to get off the ladder once you're on until you're done climbing. Or if you want a little more freedom, you can allow the character to get off the ladder in a variety of different ways at any time. And there it is. So that is a few different ways where you can add some more platforms onto your game, allow your character to jump through them or jump down a level through them, or to use the ladder function in there too. Hopefully that helps out. I know that this feature's been there for a little while, but if you haven't played around with GB Studio in a while, that little hop at the end of the ladder, I think, is a amazing new feature that really helps the overall smoothness of our gameplay. Let me know what you think in the comments. Give me some more ideas for more tutorials. I appreciate you watching, and I hope you all have a great day.